Could you help me solve a math problem?
Of course, Mellie. Please go ahead and share the math problem you need help with. I'll do my best to guide you through it.
So the question is, the three candidates who ran for the city council position in Memphis in 2015 received a total of 14,705 votes. The ratio of votes for the first candidate to votes for the second candidate was approximately 4 to 1. The ratio of votes for the first candidate to vote for the third candidate was approximately 100 to 13. Based on these information, which of the following is closest to the number of votes received by the first candidate?
Alright, Mellie, let's break this down step by step. First, let's define some variables to represent the number of votes each candidate received. Let x be the number of votes the first candidate received. Let y be the number of votes the second candidate received. Let z be the number of votes the third candidate received. We know from the problem. 1. X plus y plus z equals 14,705. 2. X divided by y equals 4 divided by 1, meaning x equals 4 times y. 3. X divided by z equals 100 divided by 13, meaning x equals 100 divided by 13 times z. Can you think of a first step to set up equations based on this information?
I have no idea.
No worries, Mellie. Here's a hint to get you started. We have the equations. 1. X plus y plus z equals 14,705. 2. X equals 4 times y. 3. X equals 100 divided by 13 times z. Try substituting 4y for x in the first equation. X plus y plus z equals 14,705. This will help you express y in terms of x. Then substitute 100 divided by 13z for x in the first equation to express z in terms of x. What do you get when you make these substitutions?
So I guess for the second equation, we can try to solve for y, and that will be y equals x over 4. And for the third equation, we can also try to solve for z. That will be z equals 13 over 100x. Are those the correct step?
That's exactly right, Mellie. Now you have y equals x divided by 4. Z equals 13 divided by 100 times x. Next, substitute these expressions for y and z back into the first equation. X plus x divided by 4 plus 13 divided by 100 times x equals 14,705. Can you simplify this equation to find x?
So I guess the first step, I factor out x and to get the following equation.
Great job, Mellie. You factored out x and set up the equation. X times the quantity 1 plus 1/4 plus 13 divided by 100 equals 14,705. Now the next step is to simplify the expression inside the parentheses. Can you calculate what that adds up to?
So I convert all terms to a common denominator of 100 and get the following equation.
Perfect, Mellie. You've rewritten the equation as x times 138 divided by 100 equals 14,705. The next step is to solve for x. You can do this by dividing both sides by 138 divided by 100. Go ahead and try that calculation.
So I got x approximately equals to 10,656. Is that correct?
Yes, Mellie, that's correct. You calculated x approximately equal to 10,656. Well done. This means the first candidate received approximately 10,656 votes. Great work figuring this out. If you want to try another problem, just let me know.
Thank you for helping me solve the math problem.
You're welcome, Mellie. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask anytime. Have a great day.